Hey everyone, Doug from Convology here. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create knockout text, or basically add an image inside of text, inside of Thrive Architect in just 2 or 3 really quick, simple steps. So here we are inside of Thrive Architect. I've created some text for our demo here. You can use whatever text you want, literally whatever size you want, but I find that the bigger the text, the easier it is to see the background. So I created the text really large for this demo. So the first thing you want to do after you've added your text is to come in here and click on the text, and in the menu on the left, go to background style and add an image. So we're going to add an image that's interesting visually, something that will be easy to see, and then click apply. So we can see that right now, this is not the desired effect that we want, right? Our text is still on top of our background. But here's the trick. We're going to go to HTML attributes and give this a class. I'm going to call it knockout text, but you can call it whatever you like. And I'm going to show you where you can change that and put the CSS into the page to make it appear. Now look at that. As soon as I've applied the class knockout text, my image has gone inside of my text. The text has inherited that background image. And if I want to adjust the background image inside of that text, I just go to background style again, and then I can drag my image around inside of my text and make it look just like I want. I can also control the image display. I can make it default, I can make it contain, I can make it percentage. I have all the same options. I can even make it a static background so that the image, when I scroll, will stay static in the background. And let's see if we can kind of show how that works here. You can see the image, kind of hard to see on this, but it's actually static behind the text. And as I scroll, you can see the text is scrolling over it. What a really cool effect. Now let me show you how I accomplished that. On the gear on the right-hand side under settings, there's a section called custom CSS. Actually, it's under advanced settings. So if we go back here, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the gear for settings. You're going to go to advanced settings, custom CSS, and this right here is all that you need. So we have knockout text. That's really hard to see on the video because this editor makes it dark, but I'll put this CSS in the blog post associated with this. There's a link in the description box below this video. But essentially, you just need to cut and paste this in. All this is saying is, hey, the background of this text, make the text on top of it transparent and clip it into the background. That's all there is to it. So I'll make this available to you to copy and paste, and you can rename this class whatever you like, or you can just leave it what I did, knockout text, because that's what it is. And then you just push the check mark and you're good to go. So what's really neat about this is you can use this knockout text or clipped mask text in content boxes to really elevate the style of your presentation, and it just looks really neat. It's something that you can't otherwise accomplish inside of Thrive Architect without that little snippet of CSS. All right, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll see you in the next video.